Hello, welcome to hashtag Plan Fun Get Things Done. Another week is here for us to get busy with all our chores, things to do, booking appointments, running errands, all that good stuff. But always remember to take some quality time out for yourself. It's hosted by myself, Crafty Chronicles, and it's a way that I plan out all the things that I need to do, but I also have some fun while I'm doing them. I don't stress if I don't get everything done all at once. I do spread it over time, such as days, weeks, and even months. I just do not stress. And I do not forget the ultimate, to take some time out for myself. Just enjoy some hobbies that you like, things that you want to do, do some stretching, some yoga, some meditations, just sitting quietly for a while, watching your favorite movies, or they don't even have to be your favorite movies, but something that you've seen advertised that you've been wanting to watch for a while. Make it happen, really, because it's so important. I like to listen to my music because I'm a vinyl collector, and I like to play my records. I listen to podcasts, I listen to audiobooks, I take a nap if I want to, I have regular pedicures at the salon. I'm dabbling into my nails, do my manicure myself, and I'm finding some time as well to get them done, because I do miss having my nails done. It's just that I'm not willing to commit myself to regular manicures at the salon anymore. It's pretty expensive and it can rack up a great deal of money over a period of time. So I just thought, okay, if I can dabble in crafts and stuff like that, arts and crafts, I can dabble with my fingernails. So I want to get that done as well. And that's it, really. If it's something that you are interested in, please just plan your week out, the things that you've got to do, all your appointments and everything. When I first started, I got a notebook and I jot down everything that I could think of that I have to do, and I tweaked it now and again because I couldn't remember everything all at once, of course. So every now and again I'd tweak it, I would omit and I would add things in, and then once I did that, I started to make a plan for my schedule each week. And if it's something that you're interested in, I would really be happy to have your company. All you have to do is plan your week, upload it, hashtag Plan Fun Get Things Done, and also if you can tag me as well at Crafty Girl Chronicles, I would really be appreciative of that. All that goes into your title bar. And that's it. It's this week's planning for the 15th. And I have made an early start already. Now, I've decorated, and I'll show you what I decorated with. Lovely. I really loved it. This is an old... it's a bit glary. Hope you can see that. This is an old washi tape that I've had for such a long while. Squirrels and leaves and good vibes. I've had this a while as well. Most of my stuff I've had for a long time, and I'm just really trying to use them up now. Just trying to see if I can. So that's that. And also the grass, I use my grass die cut, and I die cut some grass to put along here. It really turned out well. I think I got this from Temu quite a while ago, and I've just had it sitting there, so I thought, oh, why not use that? So I did. And also my trusted memory keeping Happy Planner sticker book for the dates. And also I used my boxes that I made on my silhouette and I'm going to get some from Etsy, the printable, so I can download them, because I don't have the time to make the boxes. So at least if I buy them, then I can always have them, and I can repeat the printing for as long as I want. As long as you download them to your computer, then you know you can use them all the time. So that's what I want to do now, because I just don't have the time to do these things. I would love to, but I can't do everything, right? I just can't. So that is that for the boxes. And then I just had some autumn leaves and a tree just scattered around in my sticker stash, and that is what I used. I've said before, I don't really like to use a lot of stickers that I've had to buy, because stickers again can be pretty expensive. They can amount up to excessive expenditure. So I just try to use bits and bobs that I don't really use as such, and I'm happy with that. This week I still have my daughter's dog. He's a Maltipoo as well. His name is Loyalty, and he is 9 years old. So I've just been taking things easy from last week. I haven't really stuck to my schedule like I usually do. I've got that there because I wanted to use it as reference. I didn't really stick to my schedule last week. I did say I wouldn't, because I'm not going to have the time. If I'm going to give myself a lot of time to look after my daughter's dog and mine, then I will just easy back and just take things, you know, step by step, because it's regular walks, making sure they go out for fresh air, their food, giving them some time to play and stuff like that, chilling out with them. So I have got him until Thursday. So I'm not going to do my zones today. I'm in the process of doing my compulsory weekly clean, which is change all the bed linen and everything, bleach the kitchen, bathroom and toilet, hoover everywhere, and do my budget. And this week for my zone 5, because I usually follow the Fly Lady zone cleaning system, this week would be declutter more stuff around the house, check the wardrobes. I'm gonna tidy the craft room though, and I did my filing last week actually, because it was just in my face and I just couldn't get rid of it, and I thought I'm not gonna wait until this week, I'm just gonna do it. So I did that last week, and thank God, I'm so happy I did that, because I said I had time on my hands. I weren't following the actual schedule for last week. So what I want to do this week is just do a little bit of tidying up in the craft room. So we'll do that. Zone 5. What colour shall I use? Let me use orange. So I'm only doing a little. Okay, so I'll do a bit of tidying up in the craft room, and I will see what else. I did check the freezer 2 weeks ago, because even though, let me just explain, even though I have got my list and my zones of what I need to do on a weekly basis, sometimes if something is in front of me and I can see it, that it needs doing, I will just get it done straight away and get that out of the way. So 2 weeks ago I did check the freezers, and I cleaned up, I checked all the dates and everything, and I bagged out everything properly, and the freezer's nice and clean now. The chest freezer, I've got a chest freezer that I do when I do my bulk shopping, that goes in there. But what I will actually do is check my fridge. The fridge freezer, that needs checking. So I will do that. I'm not doing any windows. I'm not doing any living room alcoves or top shelves. I'm not packing any donations in the car. I'm not decluttering, as I said. I'm not going through the wardrobe because I had renovation in my bedroom. Everything is brand new. I was able to strip the whole wardrobe, take everything out, and I done all my decluttering. It gave me a chance to really see what I wanted and what I didn't. So that's all done. I don't need to do that. I will just potter around and tidy up my craft room as I go along, and that is it. And have a good week as best as I possibly can. I can say that I hennaed my hair today because my daughter's away and it was due, so henna my hair, and I have it's all hennaed and covered over for a couple of hours. I'll leave the colour in. Did you see? Did you see my shower cap there? So that's all done. I'm really happy with that. So I've hennaed my hair. And what else did I want to do? Sunday I didn't get to do a foot soak, so I want to do a foot soak today. That's it. That's not a lot for today. And even though I've got the list of stuff to do, my compulsory clean here, I will spread it over the days. I'm not going to do it all today because I will just be knackered if I did. So that is that. Wash and dry always. Fold and pack away always. Come what may, I do that. Wednesday it's wash and dry. Just making sure I'm in view. I'm not going to do my group walk because Loyalty doesn't like to be left on his own. I'm finding that he's so much comfortable and relaxed if we're all at home. I'm not going to do my group walk because when I went to Aquafit on Friday, oh, that was amazing. Anyway, when I went to Aquafit on Friday, when I got back, I did put the radio on next to the craft room. He had an accident because he was so agitated and stressed out. He peed, you know, so I've realised now he doesn't like to be left alone. I take him my regular walks, so that will be done today and on Wednesday. And then Friday it's a walk. He will be gone by then. He would have gone home. And then Saturday it's my long walk. Thursday it's movie night. Let's take that out. Right. Thursday it's movie night. And fold and pack away as well. I'm not doing any ironing or gardening. No, I'm not. I want to... Oh, let's just finish Friday, wash and dry. These are what I do come what may. Wash and dry and fold and pack. Saturday, fold and pack. And I've been able to chill a lot and crafting on Saturday. I think I'll do my nails tomorrow. Yeah, do my nails tomorrow. It's church on Sunday. Whatever else needs doing, I will get it done. But everything is subject to change. Nothing isn't set in stone. I will leave it as that now. I think I'm done. Yeah, I think I'm done. I'll get all my compulsory bits done this week. Not a problem. And I will just be chilling out with the dogs. It was lovely having him. He does miss his mum. Yeah, he misses his mum. He misses his mother. I can't wait for Dolly to get back to pick him up and take him home. That's me done for this week. If you did like this video, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now.